Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Now this one is pretty awesome. It is a carnivore bread that we got from our friend Steak and Butter Gal on YouTube. This recipe, we're going to link to her original recipe video in the description box below, but you know, if you can use real eggs, it'll turn out fluffier. Since my mom's allergic to eggs and we have to use just egg, doesn't rise as much as hers did, but it was still really good. So you should definitely try this, especially if you're carnivore or keto and you're looking for a loaf of bread that you can have. And it's non-dairy. That's another big thing. My mom can't have cottage cheese, and like a lot of these recipes call for cottage cheese, and then I don't even think they make a vegan version, so we can't ever make those. So this one is a non-dairy carnivore bread. And so that's what we're making today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone. So I'm making a recipe I got from Steak and Butter Gal's YouTube channel. This is the easiest carnivore bread ever is what she says. And I'm going to put a link to her original video in the description box below. But here's the ingredients. Then this is non-dairy, okay? So she has a dairy version on her video as well, but this is the non-dairy version. So we're using 12 eggs, and since I am allergic to eggs, we're using vegan, just egg. So 12 eggs is 3 tablespoons per egg, which is 36 tablespoons, which just so you know is 2 1/4 cups. So that's how much of this is in there. Then there's 8 tablespoons of beef tallow. We used our Carnivore Crisps grass-fed beef butter, 8 tablespoons melted. So I melted it. And then pork panko crumbs, so pork breadcrumbs. We use 4 cups of that. So 4 cups, 12 eggs, 8 tablespoons melted. That is what is in here. And I have mixed it all together in my food processor. And then we're going to pour it into our loaf pan, which we have some parchment paper in to remove it easier after it's done cooking. It's gonna cook at 375 for 60 minutes. And then we'll see how it. All right, there's the batter inside the loaf pan with the parchment paper in it. We are gonna put it into a 375-degree oven for 60 minutes and see what happens. Fingers crossed. All right, it's done. It's been 60 minutes and it's out of the oven, and listen to this. Can you hear that? It's crusty on the top. So I'm gonna let it cool for like 10 minutes and then I'll cut it and show you what it looks like.